As you guys seen from the last video, we got a rooftop tent, and today we're gonna try that out. But first, we're gonna go fishing. The past few times that I went fishing has not worked out for me. But I got Nike here, man. Nike deserves to be, you know, have that alone time with me because it's been so long. I gotta stop at a Big Five because I left my fishing license at home. So I think they could reprint out my my fishing license. We're gonna be trying to find like a little river or like a stream to find some trout. Honestly, anything would be cool. So we got the fishing license. It was almost $12 just to reprint it. Better than paying 54 bucks again. I talked to the guy. He said that there's a lake for some good trout fishing. I don't know how far it is, so we're gonna have to check that. Let's see. Fish brain it. Let's see. So we found a place. We're gonna go there now. It's Coma Creek, I think it's called. I actually heard about this place. Looks like they're getting a lot of trout, so that's where we're gonna go right now. It's gonna be my first time ever fishing for trout. I don't even know if I have the right rod for it. I'm using threaded line, but I have the hooks. I have some spinners. We'll see if the fish gods bless us today. My goodness. Oh man, I'm excited to sleep in the tent.
At the light.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We gotta have positive vibes out here. That's what we gotta do. The spot right here looks nice. It's very, very nice. And there's Nike. Watch. Go ahead, Nike. Go. You want to go to the water? Go to the water. I already know what you want to do. Look at him. Yep, I told you. That's all he wants. Is to go in the water. That's what he lives for. Look at him. Yeah. There you go, Nike. I see you chasing the waves, huh? Yeah. Nike, Nike, you gotta come back this way. Oh my goodness, look at him. Good boy. All right, let's take off this bag. So I have all my camera gear in this bag here. Oh, and I might set up another camera, just depends. Please, baby Jesus, give us a good one. For the love of God, please. That was so bad. We don't count that. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I gave up on fishing. I mean, it's too windy. I don't have a boat to do what I want to do. So it's all right. Next time, the next one, you know, next one, where I go to the river or something. I'm just happy Nike's enjoying himself, man. Nike, come on. Oh my God, he always does this. I mean, I have food at the campsite, so I might make some turkey or chicken, maybe with some zucchini and some potatoes. I actually think I forgot the potatoes, so we might not have potatoes. Hey, you want to go? Here, Nike, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dude, you're just everywhere right now, man. You gotta focus, bro. You gotta focus. What was that pause? Good boy. All right, you ready? Ah! You ready? Go. You don't want to get it? Go get it, man. Good boy, Nike. Good boy, don't touch. Don't touch, no. Okay, good boy. Let's get our stuff. Time to get out of here. Come on, let's go. So now that he's done swimming, we gotta dry him off. So we're gonna go for this hike. It's like a mile hike. Hopefully it gets dry enough. Then we're gonna go back to the camp. Gonna cook. He's gonna eat with me. This is a nice little lake. that they have. Oh, this is a nice view right here. So we got some cool shots with Nike. Maybe might use them as a thumbnail. Not too sure. Yeah, I haven't been too sure about anything today. Nothing's been working. Found out that Nike wasn't supposed to even be in the water. I'm glad the park ranger didn't. Is it a park ranger? Or whoever it is didn't give me a ticket, because that would have been bad. But this trail's pretty cool. Nike's getting dry. Look at them. Yeah. Putting in that work today, huh, Nike? When I was walking the trail, someone said that there's a waterfall that would be more down, which I would like to see, but they don't know if it's open. So we could be making this trip for no reason. But, you know, at least we get our exercise in. The waterfall was a no-go, but it's all right. We're gonna be heading back to the campsite, setting up the tent, and then we're gonna cook some breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I haven't eaten all day. That's my fault though. I was just so excited to get the day started. Nike's super tired, man. Like as soon as we got to the car, he just laid down. He was just like, Dad, I had enough. Let's go back. That's my power pack. Oh, my feet. My power pack here, powering the LED strip and my dual charger for my phone and my watch. It's also going to be charging my my iPad, because I have my iPad here with me, and my drone batteries and my GoPro batteries and my camera batteries. And you can see I was charging that all last night, and I'm only down to 94%, which is pretty good. Now it's really roomy in here, man. It's super roomy, like, my goodness. And yeah, I don't have nothing set up yet. I'm new to this, so I don't know what to do. I'm probably gonna buy like a bed top thingy for this. But oh yeah, so this right here, this is my pillow. Mainly because I forgot to bring a pillow, but he works. Yeah. And then just got my blanket and my sleeping bag. So yeah, man, that's the inside of it. Yeah, now I'm hungry, man. I'm starving. I need to eat something. Let's eat. Yeah, it's nothing too fancy. Got our bowl, cast iron, and then we have our little flame grill stove thing. But yeah, we're gonna just mix this with that, with the ground turkey. I feel like that'd be good enough for us, for me and Nike. I love zucchini. Lately, I've been on a zucchini type of thing. Oh, this is gonna suck to cut with this, but it's all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the zucchini in last, but we're gonna get it prepped. Yeah, this is not gonna be good to cut. I need to be more prepared next time. I thought I had the knives. I thought I had a pillow, but I ended up not having any of that. So that's what I get. So we'll set this to the side here on the red plate. Get this out of the cast iron. We're gonna be using this. I need to get my seasoning. So I forgot my seasoning, but I did find some salt and some pepper in the utensils bag that I can use. That's what I'm gonna use. Why not? There we go. It's on. I can barely see the flame, but I feel it. So I put a little bit of Pam spray on it. Gotta get this turkey meat going. So this is gonna be for me and Nike. But once it starts getting brown, oh, there we go. Yeah. I'm gonna start adding the salt in from this utensils bag. Dude, thank goodness. Maybe that knife would have been better, huh? Oh, they gave me 2 of each. Okay. See them out here helping us out. All right. We'll do for now we'll do just 1 salt, 1 pepper. Dang, these things came in clutch. And the pepper goes everywhere. That sucks. Just a little bit. Just so we can cook it a little bit. Let's see. There we go. Damn, dude. I can't believe I forgot my... Dude, I forgot a lot of things, but I can't be... I guess I can't be blamed. Because I've been wanting to go camping, and I guess I just put myself in a rush. But I didn't forget the oven mitt. Kason gave me that mitt. I am by no means a chef, by the way. I mean, I can cook, but you know, I forgot a lot of things. Alright, now it's time to add our zucchini. Let's do it, baby. Please be good. You know, usually I like to add like maybe a chili to this or something, but like I've been explaining, my man is very forgetful. But you know what? It's alright, because this is good enough for me. It's good enough for Nike. That's all that matters. We have food in our stomach. So after everything, I end up finding my seasoning by my lunch pail. I'm just at a loss for words right now. So the food's ready. So we got Nike his, then mine's is over there ready to eat. I am gonna make a tortilla. That is burning. All right, come on, Nike, come on. Let me clear out your space for you. Come on, Nike. Go ahead. Good boy. Here you go. Alright, so here's my food. Let's give it a taste with the zucchini. Yeah, let's see. It's pretty good. By the way, it's Nike next to me. That's making all those noises. It's really good. Maybe because it's really good because this is the only thing I've eaten. Ground turkey is one of my favorite meats. Now I know this isn't real camping, but I'm just trying to get my feet wet. I want to do some dispersed camping. Hopefully when I come back from Florida. That's what I'm hoping for. That's the goal. I want to do some dispersed camping. I want to bring the kids with me. Kason's already asking to go fishing, which that's something I would love to teach him. You know, I never knew fishing until I was, what, maybe like 15, 16? My math teacher took me out. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, man, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share the video if you guys can. That'll really help me out. And man, I'll get better at doing this type of stuff. I know this video is probably not going to be that good because I've gotten like hardly any footage. I don't know what to look for and stuff like that, but you know, you can only get better. I'll let you guys know how I slept throughout the night, hopefully. There you go. All right, so I know it's like mid-afternoon now, or mid-afternoon, it's like afternoon. I slept in the tent. Sorry I didn't get up and record. I was running late and I had to meet someone at the gym. I got my workout done and everything. But the gym, I mean, the tent was really good. I actually, man, dude, it was awesome. For not having a pillow and being, you know, not fully prepared, it was awesome. I'm not gonna lie. It's awesome, man. Being able to just relax like that and like hang out with Nike, get my thoughts together and everything like that. It was good. The tent itself is pretty good. There's some things I'm kind of worried about, Like some of the side parts, I guess, on the hard shell looks like it's about to come off already. And I bought this thing brand new. I don't know why it would look like that. What else? It puts away really fast. Like when you need to go like and hurry up and pack up and stuff like that, that tent collapses really fast. What else? The setup is really easy for someone that doesn't even know how to put a tent together, like at all. It's easy, man. You just push it, everything just comes out already. Pull the ladder, it's all good to go. You don't have to put up the rain fly or anything like that. You can even take off the rain fly, by the way, if you don't want the rain fly on. But I leave it on just in case. But man, dude, it was good. It was good. My sleeping bag that I got from Costco for like 50 bucks kept me pretty warm. The next goal is gonna be to hopefully do some dispersed camping. I'm thinking of going to El Dorado Hills National Forest and camping there, but we'll see how that goes. Maybe in like another week or two I'll go, because I'm gonna be leaving for Florida in about 3 weeks now. But yeah, man, this tent's awesome. I'm really excited to see the memories I'm gonna be able to make with this thing. Like just mentally, like when you're out camping, and like I said, like I know it's not fully like camping and stuff like that, but when you're out like that, it's good for the mind, man. It's good for the soul. I'll give you guys like a long-term review about it, maybe in about 2 months, you know, maybe 6 months. We'll see. I have a lot of trips that I'm planning, and a couple of my buddies who actually got me into overlanding ton and like rooftop tenting are gonna be, you know, setting up trips and stuff like that, and I'm hoping they invite me. You know, we'll see. Yeah, man, it's looking good so far. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown on how it went last night. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.